Hi everyone, welcome back or welcome to my channel. I hope you all doing well. um, if you don't know me, my name is Saywan. I'm a truck driver, owner operator, um, and today I'm going to show you my truck and what I build in my truck. Maybe it's stupid, but this is what I built. I took out the seat, the passenger seat, and I built this kitchen here, the small sink. If you see, it works. This is an induction cooktop, and I don't know if you can see. Also build this pull-up bar, so hopefully going back to working out and thing. If you look at my channel, I have few like workout video and exercise on the road, but I haven't done it for a long time, so I'm truly out of shape right now, and I'm trying to get back in shape. I broke my dumbbells, broke a couple of resistance band that I made some video in the I haven't tried it yet. In fact, I can't do one single pull-up right now, but I'm hoping to get back in shape and be able to go back to normal to my normal routine, and to work out and everything. But today I'm going to show you the kitchen, and I hope you guys like it. And if you don't, just if you do and don't, just let me know in the comment down below. And so this is the setup right here, and that's the pull-up bar. I use this 2x4s either side. The leg goes underneath and attach it to the where the seat, the hole for the screws for the seat. I attach this one, and the leg is like this, and that thing, that carabiner, is for the resistance band. Again, I haven't tried it yet, how successful it is or not. This is my speaker bar here. Just took off my TV right here. I'm trying to find some place around here, because here it's gonna be a mess if the TV is there, and trying working out and cooking and everything. But the kitchen is, I think it's beautiful. The door of the kitchen come from it was here before, but I didn't have the fridge. I bought the fridge. I had to take off the door. That was last year, but when I decided to build this, I say, why wouldn't I use this door? So it's easier, and also it probably matched the other interior thing. And pretty much everything I made out of scrap, and bought a Goodwill or thrift stores, swap meet, Facebook Market. Like this sink I bought on Facebook Market for $30, but if you buy it on Amazon, probably around, I don't know, 70-80 bucks. The tap, that thing, I bought on the auction for, I think, 10 bucks. This one I bought on Amazon. I don't know if it works or not, because I put my pan and it didn't work. I don't know why. Maybe the pan is not the induction cook thing, even though it's a magnetic, but I gotta try another way. And this one, this is where my fresh water is. It's like 6-gallon water. It's almost empty right now, because I've been using it for 2 days. And this side, you can see my gray water. That's my gray water here. And that thing is the 12-volt water pump. That's what I use to bring the water. The cool thing about this water pump, it turn off and on by itself as soon as the water come. It turn on, close it, it shut off. I think that's it for the kitchen, and I have a plan to build a top cabin right here, up to here all the way. right here and open it like this to store some, you know, tea, coffee, and maybe some extra stuff. Um, I think that's it for now, and if you guys like it or not, just let me know. And if you guys interested, um, how I build the whole thing, I haven't recorded the whole thing, but I have the plan on, like, the 3D plan on Shaper 3D app on my iPad. I can share it if you guys, you know, if you're interested. I try to post some other, I don't know, footage if I have to, you know, to explain it better. And until then, hope you guys enjoyed it, and thanks for watching my video, and please make sure to subscribe and share, comment, and everything else. Oh, by the way, I'm in Phoenix right now, man. It's like a hellfire. 1:11. What time is it? It's 10 o'clock in the morning, and it's 1:11. I believe around noon it become 1:20. It's hot like hell, man. And what I was thinking, if you're a sinner, you know, your best bet is just to come down here to Phoenix and live here for a couple of years. I think you'll do just fine in the hellfire, man, because you're used to it.